Aloha folks, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you are new to the channel, my name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. In this video, we are going to look at this company that has extended its dividend streak to 12 consecutive years. It has increased dividends by 4.9% and it is 51% undervalued by simply Wall Street. So if you're interested in this, you definitely want to check this video out. If you are new to the channel, aloha, thank you for checking out this video. Hope you like and subscribe, hit that notification bell. I do a lot of these videos that look at dividend companies, so if that's something you're interested, definitely hit that subscribe button. All right, with that said, let's take a look at this company. So the company that I'm looking at is Allstate. The ticker symbol is ALL. It is a company that provides property and casualty and other insurance products in the US and Canada. So they offer auto and homeowners insurance. So you can see from their website, they go from auto to home, renters, motorcycle, and then they also have life insurance in there. So you know, you probably see this commercial, Allstate, you're in good hands. So definitely check out their website if you have not, if you don't know this company yet. Now, if we go to Simply Safe Dividend, based on their dividend safety score, they rate it as an 80, which is safe. The dividend yield of this company is 2.70. Market cap is about 35 billion, which is a large cap. Looking at the key metrics, you can see for their payout ratio is about 22, which is very low for P&C insurances. They did cut their dividend during a recession during the 07 and 09. Looking at the dividend growth, you can see the last 5 years 20%, which is very fast. Last 20 years 8%, which is also fast. The latest is 4.9 in February, which is slow. If you look at the chart, you can see from 2009 there was a dividend cut, but then after that it was slowly increasing in 2020 and now in 2021. So uninterrupted dividend streak of 12 years without a reduction, dividend growth streak of 11 years consecutive increases. So your payout details will be quarterly in the months of January, April, July, and October. Annual payout would be $3.40. So your quarterly payments will be about 85 cents. It has increased, so we'll talk about that a little bit more. Based on the valuation, the stock could be attractively valued. Looking down more to the financials, you can see if we go to return on investment capital, you can see 8% is the preference. You can see it's about 21%. Return on equity, about 19% last 12 months. Yeah. Now, if we go to Seeking Alpha, you can see February 18, 2022, Allstate increased dividend by 5% to 85. So you can see it used to be 81. Now the 4.9 increase has gone to about 85 cents per share. So pretty good. So remember, the ex-dividend date is February 25th, and then you get your payout on April 1st. Now, if we go to tip ranks, at the time of this video, it is at 125. Their analysis rating as a hold, you can see about 4 buys, 5 holds, and 2 sells. Their price target is about 131 with a 4% upside. Looking at the 12-month forecast, you can see the high is about 160, the average is 131, and then the low is 105. Now, if we look at the analysis, you can see it's a mixture. So you got this person says to sell, and you got some of them that is a buy. some of them as a hold. You got a bullish person here who has a buy, which is 30% upside, but again, it's a mixture of between a buy and a hold and the sell. Now, if you switch out to CNN Business, based on their forecast, you got a high of 165, a medium 130, and the low of 105, with the analysis recommendations of 7 buys, 10 holds, and 2 sells. Now let's switch off to Webull. Based on their analysis, there's 19. They also rate it as a hold. 47% said it's a hold. About 26% is a buy and a strong buy. About 15%. Now their price target is pretty similar. You can see 165, 131, and then 105. Now let's do a comparison to Barchart. The price target is a little bit higher. About 179 is the high, 78, 135 is the mean, 105 is the low target, and their analysis is a moderate buy based on 14 analysis. You can see 3 months is pretty much the same. Looking at the breakdown, you can see there's about 1 strong sell, 4 strong buy, 1 moderate buy, and 8 holds. Yeah. Now, if we swing by to Simply Wall Street, based on their evaluation, share price versus fair value, you can see 53% undervalued. Based on their calculations, their fair value of this share is about 268. Current price tag is about 125. Now, if we go check out their company overview, you can see established dividend payer, good value, some of the risks, earnings are forecast to decline, significant inside selling of the past 3 months. So but some of the great ones, you can see pay a reliable dividend of 2.5 shares. Now if we go to Robinhood, you can see for the week 0.21 is the performance. For the month, about 3%. 3 months, about 11. For the years, about 19%. And then for 5 years, it's up 56%. Now, if we look down to some of their analysis based on Robinhood, kind of have the same overall rating. It's a hold. 40% it's a buy, and then you got 10%, which is a sell. Looking at the research report, their fair value is about 120. So what do I think of this? I think it's a pretty good company. Am I going to invest on this? I think for me, I like T. Rowe Price. There's other ones that are pretty good, more attractive in my opinion. However, if you're deciding on this company, I don't think it's a bad idea. I think it's a great company in my opinion to invest on. So but also always do your due diligence and understand the stocks that you're investing on, because I'm not a financial advisor, so please always make sure you do your research. But it's a great stock. I think it is a buy. However, for me, if I'm gonna buy it, it's probably just going to be a swing trade or something in that nature. For a dividend investor like myself, I rather go with T. Rowe Price, which is kind of similar, but that's just me choosing a company versus this one. But this one is a solid company also to invest on. So also, if you have Instagram, check me out. Same name, Mr. Dividend Investor, so definitely check that out as well. Also, if you have time, definitely check out my other videos as well. So as always, please remember, stay cool, keep investing, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Right, take care. Aloha.